Yeah, if it were so easy, I would tell you this one wallet. I really understand that question very, very well, as I'm also using a lot of different wallets because they have different use cases. They offer different capabilities. And I had so far not found a single wallet that supports the needs of beginners, and new wallets are being developed all the time with new possibilities. So there are beginner wallets, of course, but beginners are all different. Some beginners are less sensitive to transaction fees than others. Some might want to hold bigger amounts for the long term. Some might want to use it for small payments. Small payments in Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, or Zambia are usually different amounts than small payments for someone in Europe or the US. For higher amounts, one needs robust security for on-chain UTXOs. Coin control is important. For some people, it's important to have predictable fees. Just as an explainer, I mentioned that why over the years I have been suggesting many different wallets. I also dropped using some for technical reasons. It's all a big learning journey on the way and for every one of us. And that's why users and also beginners, why I always tell them, you will need to update, upgrade, and replace wallets and use new wallets. And that's also the reason why it's a good thing to follow the technical developments in Bitcoin. So to not miss a thing, that maybe a wallet is stopping its services or things like that. But now there is a new wallet on the block. It's called Misty Breez. And for someone who is new to Bitcoin and plans on doing payments for a couple of dollars, up to about maybe 250 US dollars, and someone who is sensitive to unpredictable high fees, there is now the Misty Breez wallet. It was released only recently, and it can send and receive Lightning and on-chain Bitcoin payments. It offers a customizable Lightning address, meaning you can have your own address where people can send you sats. So you don't need to issue an invoice all the time. For instance, my Lightning address with Misty Breez is anita@breeze.fun. Looks like an email address, but is a Lightning address where you can send sats to. Misty Breez stores your funds on the Liquid network, which has lower fees and gives you less hassle than managing a Lightning channel or using the Phoenix wallet even. Misty Breez gives you a 12-word seed for direct access to your Bitcoin. But I have to add, it is not fully self-custodial as a Bitcoin on-chain transaction or a self-custodied Lightning channel is, because Liquid is a federated sidechain of Bitcoin, meaning you cannot unilaterally peg out your funds, as the federation members' keys are needed to move the Liquid Bitcoin to the Bitcoin blockchain. That's a small trade-off, but I think it's better than using a fully centralized custodial service like Wallet of Satoshi or Blink, as the Liquid Federation members are independent companies which are distributed globally, and the signing keys are rotating automatically in between them. The seed of the Misty Breez wallet can be used on several devices at the same time, and you can import the seed on all other wallet apps that are using the Breez SDK, like the Green Wallet or Aqua, for instance. The Misty Breez wallet has a minimum payment amount for sending Lightning, which is 21 sats, and for receiving Lightning, it's 100 Satoshis. For me, Misty Breez is a very easy solution to use Lightning payments and Bitcoin payments, and it offers something which is very close to self-custody without the hassle of channel management or maybe high setup fees. So people who have been using the Muun wallet have been asking me, isn't that similar to what Muun is doing, using submarine swaps to pay and receive Lightning and on-chain Bitcoin with offering a single balance? Yes, it's similar, but the difference is Misty Breez uses the Liquid network, whereas Muun uses the Bitcoin network, meaning high Bitcoin on-chain fees will translate to high Muun fees, while transaction fees on the Liquid network are much lower, at least at the moment, and I assume in the coming years. Misty's other advantages over Muun are the Lightning address. Muun doesn't have that. Misty also offers offline receiving of payments with mobile notifications. That means you can be offline, but you still receive basically a Lightning payment. And Misty offers support for Bolt 12, which offers reusable payment requests with increased privacy and more censorship resistance on the Lightning network. It's basically some sort of upgrade for Lightning. Then I looked up the Google Play Store for the privacy settings, basically, of those two wallets, and comparing them, Misty does not collect any data of you, while Muun is collecting some personal information from your phone. And while I'm talking about privacy, another advantage of Misty Breez is that it offers a higher privacy also compared to a wallet of Satoshi or Blink. First, because Misty doesn't ask for any personal data. And secondly, because the Liquid network uses confidential transactions, which hide the assets, the type of assets, and the amounts that are transacted to any third party who is trying to monitor the Liquid blockchain. So in contrast to the Bitcoin blockchain, where you can see all amounts of Bitcoin that are being transferred between Bitcoin addresses, and you can see them publicly, this is not possible on the Liquid network as they are using confidential transactions, which hide the amounts and the assets used on the network. There's also a site where you can look up the payment fees of Misty Breez. And we, as Bitcoin for Fairness, recently built an additional Bitcoin flyer for meetups. We are including the Blue Wallet for on-chain payments and Misty Breez for off-chain payments. We also got one of these flyers with the Phoenix setup. You can find those on our website, which is bffbtc.org/flyer. We will put the payment fee descriptions and the flyer URL into the description of this video, because we are actually also looking for people who want to translate those flyers to different languages. It's only 2 pages, it's not a lot, but it would be great if some of you were to translate those, it's now in English, into your language. Especially we're looking for African languages.
Hello, my name is Anita Posch, and if you liked that video, please subscribe to my channel now to inspire me to create more content like this. And if you want to learn more about Bitcoin, then sign up for my free weekly Bitcoin newsletter at anita.link/news.